Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stamp Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today is There's a Card Thursday, and today I want to, I want to use the linen paper. So I've cut myself out, and I haven't done this before, so I cut myself out, this is 2x2, and I peeled some of the little linen threads off so it has like a fringe on it, and I'm going to use that. And since this is 2x2, the stamp set I am using is the Kindest Gnomes stamp set, and so I am also using the, what is it called? It is the Storybook Gnomes Designer Series paper. I'm using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Whisper White. And because this is 2x2, I'm using a piece of Calypso Coral 2.25 by 2.25. And the saying I am using is about 2.5 inches, so I got 2 3/4 inch by 3/4 of an inch of Calypso Coral also. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to stamp this with Memento Black, and then I'm going to color it, the gnome, in with some real red, some dark so saffron, and a little light soft suede blend pens, and see how this goes. I haven't tried this before, so we're all using it at the same time. I did do how to color some of these on a Tips and Techniques Tuesday, but we didn't do this part of this. So we're going to do this part. Then I'm just going to get out some real red there. Oh, let's get some cherry cobbler and do his nose cherry cobbler. You can see how it does spread, so maybe you don't want to go to the outside edge. Get his hat. And maybe some blue for his lilac orchard oasis for his pants. And then how about, do the other end, a little more control. And then some of the soft suede for his shoes. There we go. Now all I'm going to do is this, the linen paper has already has adhesive on it. So I'm just going to put that on just like that. Make my card base. at the end. Oops. Okay, well, let's grab the good old glue dots. Yep, good old glue dots. Doesn't rip the paper and works perfectly fine. There we go. And I'm going to put the saying on that. Your kindness does not go unnoticed. And put some Stampin' Dimensionals on this. Put it a little wonky there. And there you have it. Let's take this down there. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make it is down below. Thanks for visiting and have a great stamping day. Bye-bye.